Utilities are part of our lives. We cannot survive without electricity, water, gas. At EnBW, we are living in exciting times. An age where everything moves so quickly and is ever-changing. Just think about climate change, net zero emissions, decarbonization, sustainability, cleaner water. In this scenario, to accelerate the energy transition we are experiencing, the answer is digital transformation. Rapid innovation and technological progress are key. This is why, to ensure asset reliability, safety, and 100% service continuity, we decided to adopt the Next-Gen FSM Platform by OverIT.
OverIT allows us to drive the transformation of the end-to-end lifecycle of frontline workers, distributing the knowledge within the entire corporate community. Adopting AR and ML collaboration features, the platform contributes to instructing even junior technicians. Regardless of their basic skills, technicians can make the most of the support, relying on videos previously recorded by expert colleagues and available in a training repository, which will always remain at their complete disposal.
All of this provides dramatic benefits and has a direct impact on fostering innovation and reducing carbon emissions. As we optimize mileage, we used to travel years ago to train employees, but also on increasing technician satisfaction and streamlining field processes. We partnered with OverIT because we believe in a common goal: keeping the lights on, water running, and communities warm, sustainably, together.